Cybersecurity is not just a field, it's a battleground where daily wars are waged against threats and cyber attacks. Imagine a world where every click, every transaction, and every piece of data is a potential target. This is the reality we live in today. In this digital age, cybersecurity professionals are the unsung heroes, constantly defending against an ever-evolving array of cyber threats. They are the frontline warriors in a battle that never truly ends. As our world becomes increasingly digital, the importance of securing data and systems escalates. Every day, new technologies emerge, bringing with them new vulnerabilities and challenges. The task of protecting sensitive information has never been more critical. This makes cybersecurity one of the most critical and fast-evolving industries. The pace at which threats evolve is staggering, and the need for skilled professionals to counter these threats is ever-growing. From safeguarding personal information to protecting national security, the stakes could not be higher. A single breach can have catastrophic consequences, affecting millions of people and costing billions of dollars. This thrilling context offers a plethora of opportunities for those looking to make a significant impact in their careers. The field is not just about defense, it's about innovation, strategy, and staying one step ahead of adversaries. The allure of a career in cybersecurity lies in its dynamism and the constant need for problem solving. Every day presents a new puzzle, a new challenge to overcome. It's a field that rewards creativity and critical thinking. Professionals in this field are always on their toes, adapting to new technologies and strategizing against evolving threats. The landscape is ever-changing, and the ability to quickly adapt is crucial. It's a high-stakes environment where one day you might be defending against a ransomware attack, and the next, you could be devising security protocols for emerging technologies like the Internet of Things, IoT. The variety of challenges keeps the work exciting and engaging. The Internet of Things is just one example of how technology is constantly evolving. With every new device connected to the internet, a new potential vulnerability is introduced. Cybersecurity professionals must stay ahead of these developments to protect against potential threats. Moreover, the field of cybersecurity is unique in that it offers roles that cater to various interests and skills. Whether you are interested in the technical aspects or the strategic side, there is a place for you. Roles range from technical positions like penetration testers and security analysts, who are hands-on in identifying and mitigating threats, to leadership roles like Chief Information Security Officers, CISOs, who oversee the entire security strategy of an organization. Each role is vital in constructing the digital fortress that protects critical data and infrastructure. This diversity in roles means that whether you are a hands-on tech enthusiast or a strategic thinker, there is a place for you in cybersecurity. The field is inclusive and offers a wide range of opportunities for growth and specialization. The collaborative nature of the field also means that you will be working with a diverse group of professionals, each bringing their unique skills and perspectives to the table. This teamwork is essential in developing comprehensive security strategies. There is a place for everyone in cybersecurity, from those who love to dive deep into code to those who excel at big-picture thinking. The field is vast and varied, offering something for everyone. In the following sections, we will explore some key roles within the cybersecurity realm. We will delve into the importance of certifications, which are crucial in validating your skills and knowledge in this ever-evolving field. Certifications not only enhance your credibility, but also open doors to advanced career opportunities. Continuous learning is a cornerstone of a successful career in cybersecurity. A career in cybersecurity is not just about a job, it's about embracing a lifestyle of vigilance and innovation. It's about being part of a community that is dedicated to making the digital world a safer place for everyone. A security analyst acts as the sentinel, constantly monitoring networks and systems for any signs of a breach. They are the vigilant guardians of an organization's digital assets, always on the lookout for suspicious activities that could indicate a potential security threat. This role requires a keen eye for detail and an analytical mindset, as they are often the first line of defense against cyber attacks. Their ability to analyze network traffic and identify anomalies is crucial in preventing unauthorized access and data breaches. Their day-to-day responsibilities include performing regular security checks, managing security measures, and responding to security breaches. They must ensure that all security protocols are up to date and that any vulnerabilities are addressed promptly. It's a role that demands vigilance and quick thinking. Security analysts must be able to react swiftly to any potential threats, making real-time decisions that could prevent significant damage to the organization. Security analysts must also be adept at using advanced cybersecurity tools and technologies. These tools help them to monitor, detect, and respond to threats more effectively. They use these tools to create and maintain firewalls, encrypt data, and perform penetration testing to ensure the system's defenses are impenetrable. By simulating attacks, they can identify and fix weaknesses before they can be exploited by malicious actors. This technical proficiency needs to be complemented with a strong understanding of the latest threats and the best practices for avoiding them. Security analysts must stay informed about the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats and continuously update their knowledge and skills. Communication is another critical skill for security analysts. They need to work closely with other team members to ensure that everyone is aware of potential threats and the measures in place to counter them. They must be able to clearly communicate their findings and recommendations to other team members and senior management. This involves not only technical explanations but also translating complex security issues into understandable terms for non-technical stakeholders. This is crucial in ensuring that everyone is on the same page regarding the organization's security posture and that appropriate measures are taken swiftly. Effective communication helps in coordinating efforts and implementing security strategies efficiently. The role of a security analyst is crucial because they not only protect the organization from external threats, but also help in building a culture of security awareness within the organization. They conduct training sessions and workshops to educate employees about the importance of security and how to recognize potential threats. Their work ensures that security considerations are woven into the fabric of the organization's operations, thereby enhancing overall resilience to cyber threats. By collaborating with the IT team and other departments, security analysts help to create a robust security framework that supports the organization's goals and objectives. Additionally, security analysts are involved in reviewing and updating security policies and procedures. They ensure that these policies are aligned with industry standards and regulatory requirements, providing a solid foundation for the organization's security practices. Conducting risk assessments is another key responsibility. Security analysts evaluate the potential impact of different threats and develop strategies to mitigate these risks. This proactive approach helps in minimizing the likelihood of security incidents and ensures that the organization is prepared to handle any eventualities. Continuous learning and professional development are also important aspects of the role. Security analysts often participate in conferences, workshops, and training programs to stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in cybersecurity. This ongoing education enables them to adapt to new challenges and enhance their expertise. In conclusion, the role of a security analyst is multifaceted and dynamic. It requires a combination of technical skills, analytical abilities, and effective communication. By safeguarding the organization's digital assets and fostering a culture of security, security analysts play a vital role in ensuring the organization's long-term success and resilience in the face of cyber threats. Penetration testers or ethical hackers are the daring tacticians of the cybersecurity world. They are the unsung heroes who work behind the scenes to protect our digital lives. Their job is not just about finding weaknesses, but also about understanding the mindset of a hacker. They are hired to think like a hacker and attempt to break into their organization's systems. This involves simulating real-world attacks to see how well the current security measures hold up. By doing so, they can identify vulnerabilities before a malicious attacker does. Identifying these vulnerabilities is crucial because it allows organizations to patch up their defenses. This proactive approach is critical because it allows companies to fortify their defenses against potential threats. Without this, companies would be sitting ducks, waiting for an inevitable attack. This proactive approach is critical because it allows companies to fortify their defenses against potential threats. It's like having a security guard who not only watches for intruders, but also checks the locks and alarms to make sure they are working properly. Penetration testers use a combination of software tools and creative problem-solving to challenge the security measures in place. They employ a variety of techniques from automated scanning tools to manual testing methods to uncover hidden flaws. The role requires a deep understanding of hacking techniques and the ability to think outside the box. Creativity is key because cybercriminals are always coming up with new ways to breach systems. Penetration testers must be one step ahead, anticipating these moves and countering them effectively. Penetration testers must constantly update their knowledge to keep pace with the new methods being developed by cybercriminals. This means continuous learning and staying abreast of the latest trends in cyber threats. They often attend conferences, participate in training sessions, and read up on the latest research to stay informed. They often work in dynamic environments, moving from one project to another, which keeps their job exciting and highly variable. Each project presents a new set of challenges and requires a fresh approach, making the role both demanding and rewarding. In addition to technical skills, ethical considerations are paramount in this role. Penetration testers must navigate the fine line between testing and intrusion, ensuring that their actions do not cause harm. Penetration testers must adhere to a strict ethical code to ensure that their findings are used to enhance security and not to exploit vulnerabilities. This ethical framework is what separates them from malicious hackers and underscores the importance of their work. This high level of trust makes the role not just a technical job but also a position of significant responsibility. Organizations place immense trust in penetration testers, relying on them to safeguard sensitive information and critical infrastructure. Furthermore, penetration testers often have to present their findings and suggest improvements, which means they need excellent communication skills. They must be able to explain complex technical issues in a way that non-technical stakeholders can understand. They play a critical role in educating their colleagues about potential security weaknesses and advocating for necessary changes to enhance security protocols. By doing so, they help create a culture of security awareness within the organization, making everyone more vigilant and proactive in protecting against cyber threats. The Chief Information Security Officer, CISO, is a senior-level executive responsible for an organization's total security posture. This role has evolved significantly over the years, from a technical advisor to a key player in strategic decision-making at the highest levels. The CISO is responsible for overseeing the development, implementation, and management of the organization's cybersecurity policies and procedures. CISOs must have a broad understanding of both the technical and managerial aspects of security. They are expected to have a strategic vision to integrate security with the business's overall objectives. This involves not only defending the organization from threats, but also ensuring that security practices do not hinder business operations. Leadership is a critical skill for a CISO. They must lead teams of security professionals, motivate them, and foster a culture of security awareness throughout the organization. A CISO also acts as the bridge between technical teams and executive management, ensuring that all parties are informed about security risks and strategies. Additionally, CISOs are increasingly involved in regulatory compliance and must ensure that the organization adheres to various national and international cybersecurity standards. This role is pivotal in maintaining the trust of customers, stakeholders, and regulators, making it one of the most influential positions in today's corporate world.